The US stock market is in freefall. The Dow Jones Industrial Average plummeted almost 500 points. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq suffered even steeper declines. Investors are hitting the panic button. This is more than a blip. It's a full-blown market meltdown. The catalyst? Uncertainty, specifically uncertainty surrounding President Trump's trade policies. His unpredictable tariffs have injected fear and volatility into the markets. Businesses are hesitant to invest. Consumers are holding back on spending. This lack of confidence is reflected in the markets. The recent plunge is a clear sign that investors are losing faith. They're worried about the future. They see storm clouds gathering on the horizon, and they're right to be worried. President Trump's trade war is backfiring. His tariffs, initially touted as a way to protect American jobs, are doing the opposite. They're hurting businesses and costing jobs. The stock market is reflecting this reality. The tariffs are creating uncertainty and disrupting supply chains. Businesses don't know what to expect. They're delaying investments and putting off hiring. This uncertainty is rippling through the economy. Consumers are also feeling the pinch. Tariffs on goods from China and other countries are driving up prices. This is hurting consumer spending, which is a key driver of economic growth. The trade war is a lose-lose situation. It's hurting the US economy and creating global instability. The economic news is getting worse. Layoffs are surging. The AI sector, once a beacon of hope, is showing signs of weakness. The economic outlook is increasingly uncertain. US employers announced a spike in job cuts last month. The technology sector, which had been relatively insulated from the economic downturn, is now feeling the heat. This is a worrying sign. The AI sector in particular is facing challenges. Mixed earnings reports from companies like Nvidia and Palantir have raised concerns about the sector's growth prospects. The AI bubble may be about to burst. These economic headwinds are adding to the market's worries. Investors are bracing for a prolonged downturn. Fear and greed drive the markets. Right now, fear is in the driver's seat. Investors are fleeing to safety, dumping stocks and piling into bonds. The CN Fear and Greed Index is flashing red, signaling extreme fear in the market. The markets are volatile and unpredictable. The VIX, a measure of market volatility, is spiking. This indicates that investors are expecting more turbulence ahead. Buckle up, it's going to be a bumpy ride. The upcoming economic reports will provide further clues about the health of the economy. Investors are watching closely. The future of the market and the economy hangs in the balance.